Which star keeps us warm, gives us light, allows life to flourish on our blue planet? Yes, you guessed it. It's the sun. A colossal fiery ball of plasma, the sun sits at the center of our solar system, a beacon of energy and life. But did you know sometimes the sun can appear to have spots? Not just any spots, but sunspots. These are darker, cooler areas on the sun's surface caused by interactions with the sun's magnetic field. They might be cooler than the surrounding areas, but don't be fooled. These sunspots are still hotter than anything you could imagine, with temperatures averaging around 3,700 degrees Celsius. The sun's magnetic field is immensely powerful, but it's also a bit messy. Unlike Earth's neatly aligned north and south magnetic poles, the sun's magnetic field is a tangled mess. This chaos leads to areas where the magnetic field is particularly strong, and it's in these areas that sunspots form. Now you might be wondering, how do these magnetic fields cause sunspots? Well, they act a bit like a cap, containing the heat within the sun. In areas where the magnetic field is strong, heat from the sun's interior is prevented from reaching the surface. This results in these areas being cooler and hence darker than the surrounding regions. And these sunspots are not a rare occurrence. They follow a cycle known as the solar cycle, which lasts approximately 11 years. During a solar cycle, the number of sunspots increases to a maximum, known as the solar maximum, and then decreases to a minimum, aptly named the solar minimum. But these sunspots are not just fascinating to look at, they have real consequences. They can release bursts of energy, leading to solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These can send streams of charged particles hurtling towards Earth, causing beautiful displays of auroras, but also potentially damaging satellites and power grids. So, to summarize, our sun, the star that provides us with warmth and light, is a hotbed of activity. It's not just a uniform ball of fire, but a dynamic and complex system. Its surface is marked by sunspots, cooler and darker areas caused by the sun's chaotic magnetic field. These sunspots follow a regular cycle, peaking and falling over an approximately 11-year period. And while they provide us with beautiful auroral displays, they also remind us of the sun's immense power and potential for disruption. And so, the next time you think about the sun, remember it's not just a simple ball of fire. It's a complex, dynamic, and powerful star, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled.